Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll explain to you what's the difference between wildcard and free hit in FPL. So let's get started. The wildcard is your season reset button. When you play it, you get unlimited transfer for that week, and here's the key. Those changes are permanent. Your new squad stays with you going forward, and then you get two wildcard, one before game week 20 and one after. Let's talk about free hit. Free hit works differently. You can get unlimited transfer but only for one game week. After that week, your squad goes right back to how it was before, and you only get one free hit per season. So say half your squad is injured, that's a wild card situation. But if there's a blank or double game week and your team looks empty, that's where free hit shines. That's the difference. Wildcard is a rebuild and free hit is a 1 week rental. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.